Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send a group text message on iPhone 16 Pro Max. To send a group text message, go to Messages app, then click on the New Conversation button in top right corner. Then here you can add contacts to this field by either entering the number or the name or clicking on plus to select them from your contact list. I'm gonna choose this one and this one. And now when I send iMessage, then other people on their iPhones will see it also as a group. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.